Hello everybody, welcome back to Caddy Go Garage. So this beast has been sitting for a couple days. We're going to run a compression check on it right now. I just want to see what it's running. I've had 59 flat tops before, a couple of them, but this is one of the nicest. One of them got wrecked. I should say, by the transporter. I will post that video in the end of this video in case you missed that story. But like I said, it was all fine and dandy until it got here and the transporter decided that he didn't want to listen to me. And it rolled backwards down the street and wrecked in somebody's front yard. That one didn't have very good working brakes. Told him that, but like I said, he didn't want to listen. So like I said, we're going to run a compression check here in a few minutes. If you guys don't know how to do that, we will show you. Thanks for joining the video. So like I said, she hasn't ran in a couple days, so we're just going to do a cold start right now. Haven't even fired it up yet today whatsoever. Come on, baby. She's cold. There she is, stuck back on high idle again. Runs fantastic, but like I said, she likes to run on high idle. And the growl that everybody's hearing before I start getting comments about that, oh, what's that noise? It's the power steering pump is probably pretty shot. We're going to try some Lucas conditioner in it, but most likely I'm just going to end up replacing it. There we go. Our next fun project that we have to work on, I forgot to tell you guys this, that little devil, a locking gas cap. And of course, I didn't get the keys for that when I bought the car, so like I said, we're gonna have to figure that out right now because I need to put some gas in it. So I am literally sitting on a pile of springs right now. It's kind of funny. And we have the most geeky little horn. I don't even know. It's like a boat horn or something. It's just funny. And it's funny how people like run things. It comes through the air conditioning thing, which there's some earplugs back there. Those are not mine. I don't know. It's just funny the way people do things. It's just really hokey. But anyway, stuff that we need to work on to get fixed up. They have good oil pressure, charging good. You hear that power steering? Just terrible. So right now he's just removing all the spark plugs so we can do our compression check. Running a little rich, obviously. You can see by those plugs right there. If I can focus in on them. And they are hot right now. Very hot. So we've got our compression gauge in the cylinder. And I'm gonna crank it over right now so he can check that.
Okay. It's real good.
Huh?
That's real good.
Yeah.
90, 100, probably 115.
115, final reading. So we're on the next cylinder now.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Okay. Same, 190.
Same as before, correct?
Mm-hmm. I don't know, it's 110 or 115.
Let's just say between 110 and
Well,
115.
there's 30, so 90 and 15 would be 105. Yeah, it'd be 115. Good. 117.